I want to show you a quick way to take accurate measurements from drawings without installing any heavy and expensive software. This is MeasureCAD. It runs right in your browser, so you don't need to set anything up, and most importantly, your files stay private on your computer. They aren't uploaded to a cloud. Let's open up a PDF plan and get started. Once the project loads, you have full control. If your PDF has multiple pages, like this one, you can just pop open the Pages menu up here to see them. For this example, we need to do some work on the elevations, so let's switch over to the second page. Before we measure anything, we need to make sure the scale is correct. For that, I'm using the Calibration tool. I just find a line where I know the real length. Click the Start, click the End, and tell the app that this is exactly 6,650 millimeters. I always like to double check my work, so let's just measure that line one more time. Perfect. Now we know every click we make is accurate. Okay, let's do a real takeoff. We need to figure out the total ceiling material for windows. Here I'm using the rectangle perimeter tool. I don't need to calculate anything myself. I'll just draw a box over each window. You'll see them popping up in the list on the bottom left automatically. Once I've got them all, I can go to the table and rename this group to Windows Ceiling Length Total. It keeps things organized. And right there, I can see we need about 28 meters of material. Now, let's do something a bit trickier. We need the area of this sloped roof. Since this is a 2D drawing, a standard area tool wouldn't be accurate. I'm using MeasureCAD's two-line area tool here. First, I select the length of the roof plane from the frontal view, and then the length from the side view. MeasureCAD combines those two distinct measurements to give me the actual surface area. Let's call this one Surface Area for Roofing Materials. But wait, this item only measured half of the roof structure. Instead of reaching for a calculator, I can fix it right here in the table. I'll go to the formula row for this item and just add ×2. The app updates the measurement instantly. We can also do a quick budget estimate while we're here. I'll turn on pricing mode and enter my unit price for the ceiling and the roofing. MeasureCAD calculates the totals for me automatically. When you're all done, you can export this whole report as a PDF to share with your team or client. And that's it. You can try MeasureCAD at MeasureCAD.com. It's free, private and easy. Thanks for watching.